Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your VM hard drive size. So I've created a VM of Windows 11 Pro, but I made the hard drive too small. So you can actually just increase it a little if you want in the console. No, not in the console, in the command line, the shell. So let's just go to hardware quickly. I don't think it will show it here. Right, oh, it does show it here. So it's 40 gig. I actually increased it once, so it was 30 and it was way too small for Windows 11, so I ran out of paging file. So let's increase it quickly. So all you have to do is go to your node, go to shell. Right, and then it's just a few commands. Let's go to the commands. So it's basically qm list. To list all your drive or all your VMs. So I have a Windows 11, Linux, and pfSense. And there you can see the sizes. So yeah, it was 32, the default size that they give you, but it's way too small. So the next command is resize. Resize. You have to make sure which format you're using. Is it IDE or SCSI? So let's see. Let's copy that one. So it's QM resize, and then the VM ID of your VM minus 100, and then SCSI if yours is IDE. I am IDE actually, which I don't know why. I didn't check when I installed the VM. I think it's just IDE. Let's see. Okay, IDE, and you can just say plus 20 gigs or whatever. So let's make this. So it's 42 now. Let's make it 8. So it will plus that to your size, so it will make it 50. Very good. Oh, it's probably not just IDE. Where is the other one now that I've checked? Come on, SCSI. What is the error? IDE 0. Obviously. What the hell? Right, IDE 0. Alright, looks like it worked. Let's go back again. My god. So resized, verified a new size. I'm just gonna QM list again. QM list, and it is 50. So yeah, that is pretty easy. Very easy. Increase the VM size, then you're gonna have to boot up your VM and come to manage, because it hasn't increased it here. Just right click, show more options, and manage. You have to increase the partition here. Go to disk management, and yeah, see, there's the unallocated space. If it was next to the C drive and this wasn't here, you could have said to extend the volume, but this sits in the middle now. Now I have to go to diskpart, delete that annoying little thing to get it. Because I'm running, as you can see, out of space very quickly. Yeah, it's struggling. Only 500 megs left on the drive. Right, let's close some. Let's see there. Let's close that. Close sticky notes. Right. For crying out loud, get the fuck out of here. Right, let's diskpart a little bit. So let's disk. So it's not the first time I'm doing this, but I can never remember the stuff anyway. Diskpart. Okay, let's disk. So it's anyway. Select the disk 0. Select disk 0. Haven't used it for a while now. So once it's selected, you have to list partitions. Partition. Right, so I want to delete the recovery partition. So select partition, that will be 4. Delete partition override. Oh well, if they say so. So select partition, what is it? 4. And then delete partition override. Delete partition override. Is it 2 R's? I'm so stupid. Oh no. Okay, so let's see now. New sample volume. Stain volume. Next. Probably just gonna select everything, right? Let's see. Yes. Okay, well, let's see if it worked. See, yeah, that's better. Okay, so just disk part the shit out of it. So disk part, let's disk, select disk, list the partitions, partition, select partition, and then delete partition. Alright, and that's it. Good. Okay.